Alright, hi there YouTube. Hopefully I'm catching this. I'm going to give my little Harbor Freight generator a good workout. The Predator 2500 inverter generator. I'm going to fire up my backup slash portable air compressor. And this is rated at 15 amps at 120 volts or 7.5 amps at 220 volts. So if we go over here quick, I'll show you exactly what that's going to be. Look on my little calculator here. We got 15 times 120 equals 115. That doesn't work. 15 times 120 equals 1800 watts. Now that's an induction motor. So 1800 watts is probably going to be close to 2800, and that's a 2500, so we'll see what happens. I'll shut this down. I got the generator over here warming up. I'm going to put this on a tripod and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Hopefully you can see the watt meter. I'm about to max that watt meter out, and maybe the generator. I'm going to go flip the switch on the air compressor, which is right next to it, and we're going to see what happens. I'm going to go through the switch. Okay, well that was a big fail. It put the overload light on and did nothing. So let me go check it out and I'll be back. Okay, let's try something else. I've got a, I don't know if we can see that, 1500 watt heater. This is just a resistance load. If it doesn't do this, I'll definitely be bringing it back. This is just straight resistance. It should do this no problem. Here we go. It's handling the resistance load, no problem. 1575 watts. Alright, I'm going to go unplug it. It's a little noisy. Well, since I got the camera rolling and I did that heater no problem, I'm going to try the compressor one more time. What the hell? Alright, it didn't set the overload light that time, but it did not stop the engine. Did not start the electric motor. Alright, well, that air compressor motor is 15 amps. That's a good bit of power, and it's an induction motor, so it's probably closer to 30 when it starts, so I really didn't think it would do that. Alright, I'm going to go try my chop saw. I'll be back. Alright, hi YouTube, I'm back again. I brought out my another Harbor Freight tool I've had for a long time. It's my chop saw I use for cutting metal. It claims it's 2 horsepower, but it doesn't give a amps or watts on it. So if you look on your little cheat sheet, you'll see 1 horsepower at 120 volts. It should come out to 746 watts. So I'm going to round that out to 750 times 2 equals 1500 watts divided by 12.5 amps is what that saw is supposed to draw. So I'm going to hit the button rather, see if it fires the saw up, and then if it does, I'm going to try to cut some metal with it. So that's be a good test. That's pretty close to its maximum. All right, here we go. Okay, I didn't get to see the watts. Hopefully it'll be on the camera. So I just cut that piece of steel, no problem. And it revved right up nice, so. The only thing it hasn't done so far is that air compressor, which is 15 amps. Probably closer to 30 amps when it fires up. I didn't think it was going to do that. So I think it's going to be fine. It'll power my refrigerator, my freezer, my air conditioner in the house. In a grid down situation, it should work fine. Works fine on the camper. So it's 100 degrees out here. I'm going to cut this off and go inside, try to make sense of this video. So thanks for watching. That's my Predator 2500 inverter generator. So far pretty happy. Alright, bye. Okay, hi there YouTube. Here's a look at the receipt. $399.99, $423 with tax. That's what I paid for that Predator generator, inverter generator, and they're on sale till the end of July. I just tested it a bunch more. I'm very happy with it. All right, that's it.